In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to view starred templates in Canva. So the first thing you want to do is log into your Canva, and you will be either taken to the home dashboard or the templates dashboard. What you need to do next is locate the left-hand column of vertical options, and you want to click on templates if you're not already there. After clicking on templates, click on the open menu icon in the top left, and within that menu, as the final option, you will see start content. Simply click on this and you will see your starred content in here. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. And if you have any questions, please feel free to drop them in the comment section below.